Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at... Okay, I was actually scrolling through CoinGecko, and then I was scrolling through their research section, and then I saw most profitable crypto bots. How about that? The top 10 most profitable crypto bots. Let's go, shall we? Maestro. Okay, I think Maestro doesn't have a token because I couldn't find any Maestro token, not on DEX tools, and also not on TradingView. So I'm like, okay. So I think we'll have to move on to UNIBOT. UNIBOT has been dropping though tremendously. Right. The last time we took a look at UNIBOT, we were here. So UNIBOT was... Hey, yo, bro. Look at this. Look at the big sell that came for UNIBOT. Right. Anyway, for UNIBOT, we already noticed the head and shoulders over here. And we were saying, yeah, more likely than not, we're going to be heading lower. And so eventually, UNIBOT headed lower. So, yeah, again, is this a good time to be? Yeah, of course, it's not. We're already under the skinny pink line. This is significant volume, significant selling happening. So I suspect that UNIBOT is still going to come back down to sub $30. We dropped down to about $28, $28.71 to be precise. So I think that we're still going to come back down for UNIBOT. It doesn't look like a bullish reversal chart pattern to me yet. So UNIBOT doesn't really look good. As profitable as it may be, I would not be buying the UNIBOT token. Banana Gun. Banana Gun came in with a bang twice, 3 times. They messed up their TGE. Yeah, again, nothing much for Banana Bot. At the moment, what would be preferable for me, right? For me, I would prefer it if... Ayo, bro. I would prefer it if Banana Bot did a rally just a little bit, maybe towards $11, you know, shy of 13, $12 maybe. And after that, it comes back down. Oh, we get a C. We get a DE. Oh, this would be a beauty. And after that, Banana Bot could be going para. Right, but always remember to take your profit, right? Even when the bull run comes, you must take your profit when the time comes, right? Otherwise, if you don't take profits, you're gonna do a roller coaster and you're gonna come back down, right? So yeah, that's banana for you. Nothing much at the moment. Hopefully, something in the future. AIMBOT, yeah, AIMBOT was the one that we publicly stated that it was more likely than not to head towards $18. Eventually, it hit $18, and then it just started collapsing back, right? So here we are for AIMBOT. Any clear signs of a... Nope. No clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern yet. So we're just going to have to next it. So that's why it's very important when it's time to take profit, you must take profit. Now it's at $7. At the height of $18, when we were supposed to take profit, you take profit. Always remember that. Always remember that. PAAL AI. Here we are for PAAL. What's up, PAAL? PAAL AI. Here we are for PAAL AI. We're saying, hey, we're going to come back down to very likely 1.3 cents. We actually came down to 1.3 cents, and then we reversed from here. It's like, okay. But anyway, in terms of tradability, no clear signs of a high quality tradable chart pattern. So again, we're not going to be rushing into anything for PAAL AI. If you look at the MACD and the RSI, it's already, I think, yeah, you can see bearish divergences across the board. So we will be anticipating a retrace eventually for PAAL AI. So this is not an area to be making an entry into, right? If you look at the daily, we are already overbought. So you don't make purchases when things are overbought. You purchase things when they are oversold. Unless, of course, you know what you're doing. But yeah, again, you can see that the volume is really rising. So whales are already securing their profit. So be very careful, right? The last time where there was a spike in volume, you know what happened? Yeah, we dropped. How much did we drop? 72%. 70%, right? Who's to say that this drop may not be even worse, right? It could be 80% as well. So again, if you got into PAAL AI anywhere around here or here, you know, again, this is a good area to be securing some profit. If you don't want to sell everything, you should be selling at least some of your PAAL. Where we Espresso Bot. I came across this on crypto Twitter. Somebody was mentioning it. Espresso Bots, ESPR, anything? Yeah, nope. So Espresso Bot looks similar to Banana There's a dip, and then there's a strong rally right now, which we would like to see. However, the question still remains, will we rise up a little bit more before coming back down, or will we be coming back down here? Right? Or could we be hanging around here a little bit longer first before a spike up? Again, we're not entirely sure. When we're already overbought at these levels, so I would preach caution about rushing into a trade too soon for ESPR. Wagie! Let's look at WAGIEBOT. WAGIEBOT. Yeah, this is WAGIEBOT. Anything for us to work with? Nope. So do we do? Move on. Scarab. Let's look at Scarab. Alright. DUNG. Okay, Scarab is DUNG. Anything with Scarab? No. The thing about Scarab is we don't know if this is an A. Are we coming up for a B, C, D, E? Or could we still be heading lower for Scarab? Again, no clear signs of a bullish reversal yet. Even the volume is quite down. So yeah, we're at 0.2 cents. Could we be heading to sub 2 cents again? Sure. So yeah, again, we're not going to be rushing into anything for DUNG Scarab tools. Saintbot. 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 Here we are. Anything for Saintbot? Nope. Just like Scarab. Again, we don't know if this is a wave A completion. Are we coming out for a B, C, D, E? Or are we going to be seeing an A, B, C kind of a chart pattern? Beats me. So we need more information, more actionable information. So it's still too early. It is still not right yet for the picking. Alpha Man, I couldn't find a token for Alpha Man, so we're gonna skip Maestro and Alpha Man. We're gonna look at probably the most bullish Telegram bots apps for the past 7 days. CrocBot. I took a look at CROC, but yeah, it's already rising, so it is not a coin that you go in when it is already severely overbought. Look at this. We're already severely overbought on the RSI, so this is not where you make entries, right? And again, look at the volume. Every time you see spikes of volume, whales are already selling. So be very, very careful. Anyway, for CrocBot, could we have seen the breakout? Yeah, look at this. Value 1, value 2, value 3. Looks like a head and shoulders kind of a chart pattern. Pam! It rose higher. You see that? If you inversed it, let me see if you can. See, if you inversed it, you can see that this is a head and shoulders, right? Can you see it? Can you see it, boys and girls? It's the same thing. Head and shoulders. Ta-da! We drop lower. You see that? You see that sometimes you can inverse the chart to get a better perspective of things, right? To cover 180 degrees up and down. Where's this? Telegram bot. Farmer Friends. Okay, I also came across Farmer Friends. Some of the other degens in crypto Twitter was mentioning it. But in terms of tradability, there's just nothing much for Farmer Friends. There was a very nice, not exactly nice, but kind of a series of valleys. But yeah, if this happened, then this will be awesome. But what happened? We dropped lower, swept up everybody's low, and then we pushed the price higher. Right? Could we still continue heading lower? Of course we could. Of course we could. So again, nothing much for Farmer Friends. Mizar. Okay, MZR has been around for some time, I think. MZR token 7 months ago. So for MZR, yeah, we were saying, again, I'm not so sure what I said over here, but there was some significance around this area because we weren't really sure exactly what's happening. And this doesn't look like a bullish reversal for MZR, right? And yeah, that's why you have to wait for more information first, right? Imagine if you saw something like this and you'd be like, okay, I think this is the bottom, right? This is some sort of a consolidation, you know, and then maybe we could, yeah, no, it's not, right? So learn proper technical analysis and you will understand that if there is nothing on the chart, you always move on, right? If there's something clear, then you pounce on it. So yeah, again, at this point of time, there's also nothing much that we can do for MZR. There's just no clarity. MEVFree is also going para. MEVFree, where are we? Yeah, MEVFree is, yeah, there's a rally, but yeah, we dropped. So again, well, what kind of a rally is this? Is this a rally that's going to form us a descending? It's going to form a descending. Could we be zipping lower from here? Okay, we're not entirely sure. Could this rally hit back up, right? Squeeze over here. But again, at this point of time, it's still too early to tell. So yeah, again, there was a symmetrical triangle, right? We'll probably have targets at around sub 20 cents, I think. So that's why you always secure your profit. It's very important to secure profits. We dropped to how low is this? 3 cents. So at the height of it was 54 cents. But hey, if the system says we are taking profit at 20 cents, we are taking profits at 20 cents. Deepfake AI, yeah, so I think fake AI is the one with the opportunity, in my opinion, for today. So if you look very carefully, this is deepfake AI. Ta-da! We're about to complete an ascending triangle. But this is, okay, look very carefully. This is a big valley, a small valley, right? I would have preferred if we got a medium valley, but this is a small valley. So there is a chance that this could actually zip a little bit lower first before coming back up. So again, we'll have to wait and see how things go. This looks to me more of a cup and handle kind of a chart pattern rather than an ascending, right? At this point of time, you can also assume that we could be getting a squeeze over here as well. Every time there is a deep buy, right? It just keeps getting pushed up. So even if it were to drop, I would also assume that there will be buying pressure pushing the price higher for deepfake AI. It's only 875,000 in terms of its market cap. Circulating supply is 956 and it's all already circulating because total is 956 as well. Pool wealth is not exactly that low, but yeah. So I think deepfake AI is not too bad, to be honest. I think it's not too bad, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. However, the thing is, I don't think it's ready for a break yet. And even if you were to break in my break in the next, let me just guess, next few weeks, I think, if it were to happen. But I would prefer it to come back down if possible, right? Take out these clusters of stop sells and these clusters of stop sells before pushing back higher. That is what I would prefer. But yeah, again, we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes. If we did something like this, then obviously we will be making moves for it. But until we see the consolidation happen for deepfake, we can't have clear targets, right? But if I had to guess, right, probably at around close to 1 cent. I think the whales of deepfake AI are planning to push it to 1 cent. So from where we are to 1 cent will be roughly 10x. It's quite a lot of money. There's quite a lot of money, boys and girls. So we could be making moves for deepfake, but we're not entirely sure. So we're gonna have to take it one step at a time. And if any developments happen within the next few days, obviously we'll be making moves. But hopefully we will be able to revisit deepfake AI before it blasts off towards the upside. All right, I guess that's it for today's top Telegram apps coins by market cap TA. Not by market cap. We actually did it most profitable crypto bots TA. It seems that only fake AI is the one that has potential. So it's like finding a needle in a haystack, right? And it's a lot of work to do TA. You have to go through a lot of coins before you stumble across a gem, and you have to look at crypto TA. People will be suggesting all sorts of degen coins. Look at PAAL, look at deepfake. Look at CROCs, look at farmer friends, and yeah, so you have to take a look at it. And if it fits to what you're looking for, then hey, we could take a trade for it, right? Until then, yeah, we're gonna be patient. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Crypto TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!